Hey there, it's Krista. So I wanted to share something with you guys today. What we mentioned in our grocery store tour and our coaching tip on yogurt is the best thing that you can do from a nutritional standpoint is to buy plain yogurt and then add your own fruit, nuts, sweetener. And so I want to show you a super simple, it's so easy, you barely need a recipe, idea for a dreamy fruit and nutty salad. We love this as a snack, as a dessert, but it also could be breakfast too. So what I am using today is just a Chobani plain non-fat Greek yogurt, because remember, yogurt just needs 3 ingredients. It needs milk and 2 types of bacteria, but remember, they're beneficial bacteria that help keep your gut healthy, but that is the basic thing you need to look for in yogurt. So this recipe, the great thing about this recipe is you can use whatever fruits you like. So whatever is in season. I'm going to show you a version that you can pretty much make year-round. It's great to use frozen or fresh fruit. So what I have in this bowl is just 1 medium-sized chopped apple. I left the peel on. And then we're going to add a cup of blueberries, and my blueberries actually happen to be frozen. And then a cup of fresh strawberries, but of course you could also use frozen strawberries. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add half a cup of yogurt. And so pick your favorite plain yogurt. And then we are going to add a couple tablespoons of raisins. And again, this could be your favorite dried fruit. And then a couple tablespoons of chopped walnuts, but feel free to pick your favorite nut. It could be almonds, pecans. And then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of chia seeds. You could also use a tablespoon of flax seeds. And then that is it. All you're gonna do is mix this together. Now the great thing about this is you can make it ahead of time, especially if you're making it with fresh or frozen fruit. Then make it ahead of time, kind of like you would overnight oatmeal, and then stick it in the fridge, and then your berries will be slightly thawed but still cool. Now, what I would recommend is, because we're using plain yogurt, stop right here and taste it. And so depending on the sweetness of whatever fruit you're using, if you feel like it needs some more sweetener, then go ahead and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, pure maple syrup. If you wanted to, you could throw some dates in there. And so if you keep it without the maple syrup and the honey, then you have got something that has all natural sugar, no added sugar, but feel free to adjust on your personal preference. But this salad is so good. It's so bright and fresh and yummy. I would love for you to try it. But so if you haven't already, check out our grocery store tour on yogurts and the yogurt section of the grocery store, because hopefully it will shed a little light on the confusion. There are over 300 varieties of yogurt in some grocery stores. That's a little overwhelming. So I would love for you to check it out. And then my best recommendation is to try different ones, see what you like best, because there are so many textures and flavors and tastes out there. But remember to read the ingredient label. Of course, you knew I would say that. But then check it out and please let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you.